Hello students, welcome to physics class. In this class, we want to study about total energy of a particle moving under central force. That is equation of motion. Okay. First see the figure. Okay. X-axis and Y-axis. Okay. This is the particle P with a distance R. Okay. Next, it moves with P dash. That is R into d theta. Okay. Let us consider only the central forces where the potential is the function of R only, so that the force is always directed along R. Let a single particle move about a fixed center of force, which we assume to be the origin of coordinate system using polar coordinate r theta. Okay, the kinetic energy of the particle is given by the kinetic energy of the particle. Okay, that is T equals to 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus r square theta dot square. Already we studied in the previous classes. Okay, where mu is the reduced mass, where mu is the reduced mass. The kinetic energy T equals to 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus r square theta dot square. Okay, the potential energy is given by V equals to V of R. Okay, the Lagrangian of the system is given by the Lagrange's equation. Okay, that is the Lagrangian of the system is given by Lagrangian equation, that is L equals to T minus V. Okay, that is 1 by 2. What is the T? Kinetic energy, that is equals to 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus r square theta dot square. Okay, V potential energy equals to minus V of R. Consider this as expression number 1. Okay, next, as theta is the cyclic coordinate, so that its conjugate angular momentum P which is considered is given by the angular momentum P is conserved is given by P theta, that is equals to dou L by dou theta dot, that is equals to mu r square theta dot. Okay, see here, as theta is a cyclic coordinate. Okay, so this theta is a cyclic coordinate, so that its conjugate angular momentum P, which is conserved, is given by P theta equal to dou L by dou theta dot. So here L equal to T minus V. Okay, that is 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus r square theta dot square minus V of R. With respect to theta dot, differentiate this L with respect to theta dot, means what? See here, L is this much. Okay, so dou L by dou theta dot equals to 1 by 2 as it is. Okay, mu r dot square is 0, theta dot square is here. Okay, mu r square, differentiation of theta dot square is 2 theta dot. Okay, 2 get cancel. Next answer is mu r square theta dot. So P theta equals to dou L by dou theta dot equal to mu r square theta dot. Okay, next, P theta dot, that is equals to, see here, theta dot means differentiation again, d by dt of mu r square theta dot, that is equals to 0. Okay, consider this as expression 2. See here, d by dt of mu r square theta dot equal to 0. Okay, that is mu r square theta dot equals to constant. 0 means constant differentiation. Consider that as capital J. Okay, this is expression 3, where J is the angular momentum of a particle, where this J is the angular momentum of the particle. The angular momentum of the particle. Okay, next, as mu is constant, the equation 2 becomes here. Equation 2 is what? D by dt of mu r square theta dot equals to 0. In that, mu is constant. Okay, as mu is constant, as mu is constant, the equation 2 becomes d by dt of r square theta dot, that is equals to 0. That means d by dt of 1 by 2 r square theta dot equals to 0. So that 1 by 2 r square theta dot equals to constant. Consider this as expression number 4. Say d by dt of r square theta dot equal to 0, because mu is constant. Mu r square theta dot equals to the constant. Okay, so excluding mu r square theta dot equal to 0. So d by dt of 1 by 2 r square theta dot, because we included 1 by 2, that is also constant. So 1 by 2 r square theta dot equals to constant, and this is also constant. Both are same only because both are constant terms. The term 1 by 2 r square theta dot represents the aerial velocity. This 1 by 2 is aerial velocity, that is the area swept out by the radius vector per unit time. Aerial velocity means what? The area swept out by the radius vector per unit time. If vector r rotates by an angle d theta in time dt, see here, if vector r, okay, if vector r rotates an angle d theta in dt, it rotates an angle d theta with respect to dt, the area swept out by r in time dt is, if vector r rotates by an angle theta, angle d theta in time dt, the area swept out by r in time dt, that is given by dA. dA means the area swept out by the radius vector r, that is equals to 1 by 2 r bracket r into d theta. Okay, r d theta means r square d theta. Okay, same only, dA by dt equals to 1 by 2 r square d theta by dt, that is equals to 1 by 2 r square theta dot. D theta by dt is nothing but theta dot. Here dA equals to 1 by 2 r into d theta. This is nothing but r square d theta. Okay, with respect to dt differentiate. So here also dt by d theta by dt is nothing but theta dot. Okay, next, from equation 4, dA by dt equals to 1 by 2 r square theta dot that is equals to constant. This only 1 by 2 r square theta dot equal to constant, that is dA by dt. Okay, consider this as expression number 5. From equation 1 gives what is the equation 1? L equals to, equation 1 means this one only, L equals to t minus v equal to 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus r square theta dot square minus v of r. So that equation 1 gives dou L by dou r dot that is equals to mu r dot. Next dou L by dou r that is equals to mu r theta dot square minus dou v by dou r. Dou L by dou r dot, dou L by dou r, okay, means what? See here, note L equals to 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus r square theta dot square minus v of r. Okay, differentiate this L with respect to r dot. Dou L by dou r dot means r dot only, r dot is here, means 1 by 2 mu 2 r dot. Okay, 2 to get cancel, mu r dot. Okay, next differentiate this L with respect to r, that is dou L by dou r. See here, 1 by 2 mu with respect to r means here r means 2r theta dot square minus dou v by dou r. This 2 to get cancelled, means remaining term is mu theta dot square r minus dou v by dou r. Okay, this term. So dou L by dou r equals to this much. Okay, consider this as a expression number 6. Okay, next substitute these values in Lagrange's equation. So Lagrange's equation in terms of r is given by the Lagrange's equation in terms of r is given by what is the Lagrange's equation? D by dt of dou L by dou r dot minus dou L by dou r equals to 0. So substitute dou L by dou r dot and dou L by dou r. We get d by dt of dou L by dou r dot is mu r dot minus dou L by dou r is mu r theta dot square minus into minus plus dou v by dou r equals to 0. Consider this as expression number 7. Next, if we represent the force along r by f of r, then we have capital F of r equals to minus dou v by dou r. Means what? Minus dou v by dou r equals to capital F of r. Okay, see what we did here. First d by dt of r square theta dot equals to 0. This is constant, so add 1 by 2. Okay, that is also constant. The term 1 by 2 r square theta dot represents aerial velocity, that is the area swept out by the radius vector per unit time, that is dA equals to 1 by 2. Okay, r square theta dot is nothing but r into d theta. Okay, divide by dt. Okay, that means 1 by 2 r square d theta by dt is nothing but theta dot. From equation 4, substitute this values in equation number 4. That means 1 by 2 r square theta dot equals to dA by dt. Okay, we know the value of equation number 1, that is L equals to 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus r square theta dot square minus v of r. Here r dot is there and r is there, so differentiate L with respect to r dot and r. Substitute these values in Lagrange's equation in terms of r, that is d by dt of dou L by dou r dot minus dou L by dou r. Substitute these values, and if we represent the force along r, F of r, then we have capital F of r equals to minus dv by dr. Next, so that the equation 8 becomes the equation 8 becomes so that the equation 7 becomes mu r double dot minus mu r theta dot square equals to f of r. Why this term? See here d by dt of mu r dot is there, so differentiate this with respect to t, that is mu r double dot, okay, minus mu r theta dot square is as it is, dou v by dou r is nothing but f of r, minus dou v by dou r is f of r, so that means mu r double dot minus mu r theta dot square f of r. Consider this as expression number 8. Next, this is the general equation of motion. This is the general equation of motion. From equation 3, what is the equation 3? Mu r square dot equals to constant, that is equation 3. That is what? Mu r square theta dot equals to constant. This is equation 3. From this we have theta dot equals to constant means j divided by mu r square, okay. Next, theta dot square, here theta dot square is there, no, so theta dot square means squaring this term, j square mu square r square is r raised to 4, so that the equation 8 becomes this equation 8. So that equation 8 becomes mu r double dot minus j square mu r cube plus f of r. Why this term? See here, mu r double dot as it is, mu r double dot minus mu r theta dot square is j square mu square r raised to 4, okay. Mu this one theta dot square mu r means, okay, that is equals to f of r. See here, this mu and this mu get cancelled, okay. R and r means j square by r cube plus f of r. This is plus f of r. Next, this implies j square divided by mu r cube minus dou v by dou r, that is equals to 1 by 2 dou by dou r j square by mu r square minus dou v by dou r. This is mu r double dot only. See here, this term only, j square by mu r cube minus f of r is nothing but minus dou v by dou r. This can be written like this, that is equals to 1 by 2 dou by dou r j square mu r square minus dou v by dou r. See how, 1 by 2 dou by dou r j square by mu r square is there, no. See here, 1 by 2, okay, j square by mu, okay. Next, dou by dou r of r square is r raised to minus 2, that means 1 by 2 j square mu, this with respect to r raised to minus 2 means minus 2 r, okay, minus 2 r raised to n minus 1 means minus 2, 2 get cancelled means that is j square divided by r raised to minus 2 minus 1 j square mu r raised to minus 3, here minus 1 by 2, this is minus, okay, that means minus j square mu minus r raised to minus 3, that is nothing but j square mu r cube, this only, okay, means this can be written like this only, minus 1 by 2 dou by dou r j square mu r square is nothing but j square mu r cube, okay. Clear? Consider this as expression 10. Means what? Mu r double dot equals to minus dou by dou r 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus v. Consider this as expression number 10. This one mu r double dot, that is equals to, okay, minus dou by dou r 1 by 2 j square mu r square minus dou v by dou r is nothing but v. Next, multiplying both sides of this equation by r. Multiply both sides by r dot. We get r dot mu r double dot, that is equals to minus dou by dou r 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus v r dot. Okay, this means d by dt of 1 by 2 mu r dot square, that is equals to minus d by dt of 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus v. Why? See, d by dt of 1 by 2 mu r dot square. Say r dot square is there, no? R dot means dr by d theta. Okay, 1 by 2 differentiate this one. When we differentiate this one, we will get this answer only. See here, 1 by 2 mu r dot square, differentiation d by dt. This means what? 1 by 2 mu differentiation of it. This is 2 r dot r double dot. 2 get cancelled. Mu r dot r double dot. So this means this only. Okay, clear? Next, that is r dot equals to dou r dr by dt. D by dt 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus, minus is there, no, plus 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus v. This is equals to 0. This implies 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus v equals to constant. Differentiation of this term equal to 0 means that is constant only. Consider this as expression number 11. Okay, but sir, what we did here, mu r double dot equal to mu r theta dot square, that is equals to f of r. Okay, this is a general equation of motion. We know from equation 3 mu r square theta dot equal to this much, then theta dot equal to this one, square this. Next, okay, mu r double dot minus j square, substitute these values in this equation, then we will get this one. Okay, next, rearrange the terms, means when we differentiate this term we will get this term only. Okay, next, mu r double dot equal to, we want mu r double dot, so rearrange the terms like we get mu r double dot. Okay, then this term is minus dou by dou r 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus v. Multiply both sides by r dot. When we multiply r dot, then we will get this answer, that is 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus mu equals to constant. Next, but kinetic energy, T equals to what? 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus r square theta dot square, that is equals to 1 by 2 mu r dot square, r square theta dot square is nothing but j square mu square into r square. Okay, because theta dot square equals to j square by mu square r raised to 4. Then T equals to 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus 1 by 2 j square mu r square. This mu get cancelled, 1 by 2 mu r square. And potential energy energy that is equals to V. Okay, total energy is what? Total energy that is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is E equals to T plus V. Substitute these values. What is the T? 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus 1 by 2 j square mu r square, okay, plus V. Consider this as expression 12. Okay, next from equation 11 and 12, what is equation 11? This one, 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus V equals to constant. From equation 11 and 12, we have 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus V, that is equals to E, that is equals to constant. Consider this as expression number 13. Okay, here E and that is V. V equals to 0. Okay, same 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus 1 by 2 j square by mu r square plus V. Okay, 1 by 2 mu r dot square 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus V, same. Okay, so that is E. E means total energy, that is equals to constant. Okay, next, that is total energy of the system is constant. Total energy of the system is constant. Hence the above equation represents the total energy of a particle under central force. Total energy of a particle under a central force. See what we did. 1 by 2, we have this equation 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus V equals to constant. Okay, and also we have this expression also 1 by 2 mu r dot square plus 1 by 2 j square mu r square plus V. We want the value of total energy E, that is equals to T plus V. Okay, this is T plus V. Then this is equals to 0. This is equals to E, that is equals to constant. So this means what? The total energy of the system is constant. Hence the above equation represents the total energy of a particle under a central force. Okay, what we discussed? Total energy of a particle moving under a central force. Equation of motion. So this is the equation of motion. Here we get the value of equation of motion. Okay, thank you.